Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Madison, and if not, welcome back. Today we are at Newport Bay Club at Disneyland Paris. So change of location for us this time, but we are staying in a standard room, 2 full beds, and it is room 5254. So let's go in and show you what our surprise was when we went in. Okay, so we are room 5254, and when we walked in, when I tell you that I screamed and everyone screamed, we have a Christmas tree. So normally I would start by showing you everything else, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you the main room first because it is incredible. They decorated for Christmas and we have a little tree and some garland. I am obsessed with this. So we have 2 full beds. They're not queen beds like they would be at Walt Disney World, but that is fine, that's not a problem. When you turn the corner, you just have the thermostat here, and then over in the corner you have your plug socket. So don't forget your plug converters if you're coming from somewhere that is not Europe. You have your 2 full beds with a bedside table on the side. It's got a phone and your light switches. So that set of switches is for the lamps, and then this is for the rest of the room on the hull. And then turning around, you've got your balcony, which I'll just insert a clip that I filmed a little bit earlier while it was still light out of our view. So this is our view. That's just the entrance down there. That's where our Uber brought us in. And then we have this amazing like cotton candy sky, and that is where you get dropped off and where you go, and you actually have to go through security with all your luggage to enter the hotel. Backpacks, suitcases, everything. You have a vanity. You can tell we've already been in here. Hello, that's my bottom half. But you have a coffee maker and some more plug sockets, and actually you have a UK plug socket down here too, so if you do forget a converter, that's fine. And then we have our Christmas tree. I had no idea this was going to be in here. Today is November 11th, so we weren't really expecting that, but it's incredible. And if you look up at the top, you've got lots of Disney artwork. Certain characters pop up in all the portholes as well. And then lastly, in our main room, we have our TV and vanity set. So we have quite large drawers down here, and we've obviously put a lot of our stuff in there already. We saw in another room tour that this section also opens up, and so when you open it, that is all of your coffee, tea, and your kettle down here. So there's coffee, there is black tea, and there's some creamer as well with little cups for your espresso. Both of the other drawers open up below this top one that I just showed you. They're the exact same size. Got some complimentary water and another place to charge your phone. Okay, and so now just over to the bathroom. It looks like we do have a lockout room, so there is a room next to us. If we were staying in a group, that you would be able to unlock this and get into it, but that is locked, luckily. We've got a full-size mirror, which is really nice. Not all the resorts have those, so I always appreciate that. And then we'll move into our bathroom. So there we go. Hello, it's me. There we go. Now the light sorted itself out. There's one sink in the bathroom area, and this is completely separate from the toilet area, which I'm always a fan of. You've got your towels and you've got your toiletries. There's no H2O here. It's just the Disneyland Paris brand, if it focuses, of moisturizer. And then you have a cabinet drawer at the bottom and some storage space as well. So pretty good storage space as far as bathrooms go. And then turning around, you also have your coat rack, your coat closet space. You can put your luggage under here, and it looks like there is a cot under there as well. You can store shoes, anything like that. You've got your hangers, your ironing board, your iron, and then your safe, which we're just gonna lock up in a moment. And then if you actually move into the toilet and shower area, it's completely separate space. Interestingly, it's really large. It has this nice bench here, so if you're showering and you need to put stuff in the bathroom, there's plenty of space for you to do that there. You've got a movable shower head, so that's detachable as well, and you've got a full-size bathtub. And again, no H2O. You have the small Disneyland products there, and you've got some shampoo / body wash, which is always a little bit suspicious, on the wall. And then behind the bath, you have a towel rack, and then there are some hooks on this back door here to pop your towels when you're done. And then there's just the toilet space here. So that is the whole room tour. If you have watched it, thank you so much. If you come to Newport Bay anytime soon, I hope you have a great time. If you come at Christmas, it is truly magical. We're so looking forward to exploring the rest of the resort. So until next time, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you real soon. Bye.